here's my moon globe. It costs a lot. It's got craters on the back side as well as the Earth side, the far side as well. This goes down to the basement, and here's the garage with my car, which has the broken window from what Mom accidentally did. And we got all these storage compartments, and there's a shelf, and there's a couple of shelves. I got this community brand 50-inch loudspeakers there. With the garage has a lot of stuff in it. I'd be willing to say we probably have over 1,000, maybe numbers of thousands of items in our home. See, I've got the almost entire volume set of Growing Up with Science, plus many supplements from about 1988 to 2000. And then I'll turn a little light on in here. It's spinning up. I've got the Pluto walk in here from Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth for that bookshelf, Mars, the asteroid belt, Jupiter, the Concorde, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. And then I have some other deep sky objects. The first three are all within our Milky Way, but the fourth one is extragalactic, the Andromeda Galaxy M31, and some other major objects. Here's my Titanic poster and Porsche poster. And then in here is our tool room, and it's just as junky as all this place. Except I've got quality parts. There's a printer cable I need to sell on eBay, and a whole bunch. Here's a vise of my dad's. I don't want to let this go unless I get a better vise. I used to have a better vise, but something happened to it. Here's a Craftsman drill press. It's half broken. I need to do something with it. And I've got these giant bolt cutters that are like 10 millimeter capacity. And here's our power shutoff for our home. And here the air conditioner's got the blower going. We have gas water heater and gas furnace, and of course air conditioning, electric. And there's some kind of water softener, but it's disactivated. And our water shut-off valves over there. Anyway, I've got all this stuff. And I need to know what to do with it. God bless you all.